guys. This is Vin-moore plumbing service. I don't carry market come. My market I carry come. I say make I advertise today. Yeah, I need the drum. Come. So I need the drum. See am now. This one na bottle trap. I don't dey learn work small. This one na come. So why they talk be say I want make una patronize us in anything you patronize us. If you are building house, hotels, school, your own home, your tenant's house, patronize us. We give the best services, good quality, lasting services, and it's a guarantee 10 to 15 years. If you no reach that, come hold me, call my name, call me out, carry police arrest me. Now they say with me, make una dey try patronize us. They try they refer us as well, and also they
one love. I mean they do the work.
Call
me work. Yeah, can you go more as in the more I will you know I'm over this so patronize us.
Try patronize us, yeah.
I be like person now. See me now.
Try patronize us, so try and refer us as well. Like, comment, and share our videos whenever it pops, and also click on the notification button and press it there so that whenever I post video, you are going to get the notification. And as well, don't forget to refer us and always like and share our comments because you'll be seeing me. Thank you.